Okay, so holidays are time to solve my first world problems and work out how the hell they knew that there was a Neranleigh Fernvale beds smack bang in the middle of Karawatha Forest. When I walked all around there, I couldn't see any sign of it. It must be from the quarry. So, applications, phone calls, emails, big drive in, get the keys. Thank you very much. Walk up to the quarry. There are huge sections of the fence is just missing. I can't be bothered unlocking the gate, but I got permission to be there. All right, so in I go. I reckon there are kids jumping off those cliffs 24 hours a day, and there's like elaborate campsites and fire pits that people have gone to a lot of effort. There's campsites all over the place. All right. Anyway, so I didn't see any of the Woogaroo. If you go to Rock Circuit, you'll see the really nice conglomerate and sandstone. And so I'll just the only two I did see was the Tingalpa and the Neranleigh Fernvale, and the whole quarry is technically just meant to be this soft, weakly consolidated sand, silt or clay, commonly malted, and ferruginous, which means it's got all the red and oranges to it, deeply weathered. Which is what you can see. It's really soft. It's really red. It breaks up really easy. That's all over the place. That's easy. And then bingo, there's something that's very different to both the Woogaroo and the Tingalpa, and that's it's right there. So you can see that it's got the really hard slate, and it's deeply steeped, and it's very folded, and that's perfect. That's done and dusted. And it's all over the place, so it was pretty clear that's Neranleigh Fernvale beds. And if you look, you can't go to that high up, but you can see all the stuff that drops down. You can see the slate pieces that drop down, and you can see the Tingalpa formations on the top of that. So it makes sense. So that makes perfect sense with the drawings, with the maps we have. And just to put as a final cherry on top, walking halfway down a little bit more, folded shirts, which is just absolutely 100% unique and special to Neranleigh Fernvale beds, and you'll never see that with Woogaroo and Tingalpa, and it's a very unusual and difficult formation. So done. So yes, that's probably how they knew. It's the quarry sort of reveals it all, that there's Neranleigh Fernvale beds very close to the surface right there.